Right here is a quick unboxing of this. Come on, dude, get the car out. Here it is. One minute. Alright, here it is. The Huawei card.